Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today we are sitting down and we are just going to test out a bunch of makeup. As you can probably see, I am wearing contacts, which is something that I don't tend to do, but I got a little PR package from April Eye and they sent over a few lenses and I really wanted to try them with you guys because why not? Not sponsored, by the way. I just really wanted to try contacts and just switch it up a bit. So we are trying out contacts. We have some perfumes that I got sent. We're trying out ColourPop. We have Maybelline. What else do we have? We have Essence. We have a little bit of MAC. So we have a mix of both drugstore and high-end makeup. We're going to test it all together. You're going to see my first impression on a bunch of these products. And this is the look that we came up with. Super like summer beachy ready. So yeah, you guys, I hope you're excited for today's video. If you love this content, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and please leave a comment. It just helps with the algorithm. So with that said, you already know, grab your cafecito and let's jump right into today's full face testing drugstore and high-end makeup slash first impressions. Yeah, let's just go with that. Let's jump right in. I'm going to start off with skin. So for my moisturizers, I wanted to apply them on camera with you guys to get a first impressions. I'm going to use two new products that I picked up from Ulta. These are the MAC Hyper Real Serumizer Skin Balancing Hydration Serum. I did buy the mini ones because my skin is extremely sensitive, and when I try out new products, sometimes my skin just won't like them and I will break out. So I was like, you know what? Let me try the small ones. Y si me gustan, I will go back and buy the full size items once, you know, I run out of these. It feels really nice so far. Very hydrating. It does have a slight scent to it, but it's not overpowering. And then I'm going to use the Hyper Real Skin Canvas Balm. I did see it's Michaela on Instagram or TikTok use these products, and I've been eyeing them for a while. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to splurge a little and get me them because even the small sizes are a little bit expensive. MAC in general is just not overpriced, but just a pricier brand. Now for the skin, I really wanted to try a new SPF, and I've seen this one all over TikTok, on Instagram. It is the Vacation Classic Whip SPF 30 Broad Spectrum Sunscreen Mousse. It literally looks like whipped cream. So I'm going to shake it really good, make sure that it's nice and mixed. And then I think I'm going to apply it directly to the skin. I'm going to do a little bit because I really don't know how much to use. Oh my gosh, that is so weird. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I hope this doesn't make me too oily, because that is the one issue that I have with sunscreen, is that it makes me super oily. Sorry if I'm stuffy. This congestion, you guys, will not go away. So I've been trying to drink a ton of water, but it doesn't really help. Okay, so far so good. My skin definitely feels very hydrated. I don't know if I was supposed to use that little amount, but I didn't want to overdo it since I am going to go over my skin with like a skin tint, and it tends to make me a little bit oily. For foundation today, I will be using the new Maybelline skin tint. This is the shade that I have, 312. It is way too dark, way too orange, so please don't come for me, or actually come for me because I totally deserve it. I did buy the wrong shade. So this gives you a full coverage, lightweight, breathable finish to the skin. I've been using this for the past maybe week-ish, and I love it. I didn't think I was going to like it because skin tints tend to be very sheer, but not this one, y'all. So as you can see, first of all, the color, obviously, it's way too dark. But look at how nice this blends into the skin. It's like your skin, but so much better. It wears really nicely, even without setting, because I did use it not too long ago just to be out in the pool. And it made my skin look so flawless. Now imagine setting it and actually prepping the skin. This one blends really nice with both a sponge and a brush. But of course, if you want a little bit more of that coverage, then go with a brush. Look at that. It makes the skin look so nice, so flawless. I'm gonna grab a little more. This is what a skin tint should be like. I know some people prefer the more sheer coverage, but not me. Like, give me the coverage, but give it to me lightweight and make it breathable. Make it summer ready, but give me coverage. That is all I ask. There you have it. What do you guys think? Honestly, this looks so nice. It does dry down to like a satin matte, not completely matte, but it's so comfortable, you guys. Maybelline did it again with this skin tint. I give it a 10 out of 10. Even if you're oily, I think you're really going to enjoy it because it's that lightweight. So now that I have that on, I am going to use the new ColourPop eyeshadow from, or the Smoking Hot eyeshadow palette from ColourPop. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I definitely want to go for something a little bit more bronzy. But I think I'm going to leave the eyes towards the end. Essence just released new cream blushes and cream bronzers. I have 3 shades here. If you guys want to see like a mini haul from everything that I bought at Ulta, go over to my Instagram because I did film a little reels. I've actually been having fun filming reels again. So please go follow me because seriously, my Instagram has not grown in years and I don't understand why. But anyways, I am going to go in with the Essence Baby Got Bronze. And I don't know if these have shade names. Honestly, I don't see them on the packaging, but I will try to list them for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and take some of this bronzer here. Okay, so this is definitely a more cool tone. I think this one's going to be a little more warm. Yeah. So that is a little more cool tone. This is a little bit more bronzy. And I'm going to take some more of that cool tone and blend it in here. They do have a very cool tone shade, but this is a little too gray even for me. I'm going to go in with a sponge to blend this out to see how this works. I honestly thought they were going to show up a little more warm on the skin, but that's all right. They're not the easiest to blend. They kind of sit a little heavy on the skin, honestly. They do blend, but I feel like you have to be a little bit harder. Like you have to really push it in to blend it out versus other cream bronzers that I have that you just like boop, 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 tap it out and it blends in really easily. So there it is. Definitely not my favorite bronzers, honestly. Not a fan of the formula, not a fan of the colors. Maybe it'll look different on other people, but I don't know how I feel about these. I don't love them, but I don't hate them. Now let's go in with a little bit of blush. I also have the ones from Essence, like I just showed you guys. Those are the shades. I think I'm going to go for this one. I'm not going to apply it directly on the skin. I think I'm going to go in with a brush and then apply it on the cheeks. So I'm just going to tap it in. This formula is definitely thicker, so it's not as easy to work with. But they smell so good. I think they have like a watermelon, cherry, strawberry scent. Very fruity. Okay, the blush, I definitely like it a lot more than the bronzers. It's a little bit creamier, a little bit easier to work with. I'm gonna go in with my concealer and then we're gonna use a new setting powder. So let's go ahead and blend this out. Nothing new here. To set my skin, I'm going to use this new MAC Studio Fix Pro Set and Blur Powder. They have different shades. They have translucent, which is the one that I have. They have light, medium, and medium deep, dark, and deep dark. I got the translucent because I wanted to try it for like setting the under eyes and then all over the skin. The girl at the counter did suggest for me to use this all over the skin instead of using it to bake. So I'm going to try it like that and see if it works. It comes with a little powder puff. And this is supposed to absorb all the oil from the skin. It's supposed to blur the skin and give you this like ultra soft airbrush look to the skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that all over the skin. I'm gonna try it either way to set the under eyes. And then I guess if I don't like it, I can just use it to set the skin all over. This is perfect for the days that you don't want to wear a powder foundation and you just want to set the skin without any color. Oh my gosh, so far I really like this. It's making my skin look super soft and filter-like. It feels and it looks very soft and very airbrushed. And I like that it doesn't add any color. Now, is this going to be a good powder to take like flash pictures? I don't know, because it is white and sometimes that gives you a cast. But thankfully, I don't ever take pictures with a flash. So for my blush, I'm going to use this one by Jaclyn. It is the Bronze Pop Heat Pop Matte Powder Blush. It is so pretty. I was really in between this one and then like a tangerine. But I was like, okay, I have tons of orange tone blushes and I don't really have anything that is similar to this blush. So I decided to pick it up and it is beautiful. It's a terracotta sienna with like mauve tones. I don't know, but it's really pretty and her formula is really nice. So honestly, this blush can also almost act as a little bit of a bronzer. So I'm just going to take what is left at the top of the forehead and then I'm going to go back with a brush and just kind of like blend everything so it looks nice and diffuse. I'm going to grab my brush again and I'm going to take this up a little bit higher into like this area right here. Let's get right into the tutorial. I am just going to show you guys what colors I'm going to use. I'm going to fast forward this, let you guys enjoy the show because I know ColourPop is not going to disappoint with the formula. So I'll just let you guys watch the tutorial. add some highlight. I have these from from Essence. These are the Pure Nude highlighters. They're not new, but they are really pretty, and I got these in PR, so I was like, you know what, let's try them on. I know I've tried them in the past, but I haven't used them in quite some time. I am going to use the shade Be My Sunlight. I'm actually going to mix it with the shade Be My Highlight, which is a tad bit lighter. Look at that. It is a really pretty baked formula. So I'm just going to take some here. It's like very light, but it's almost like a glow from within type of highlighter. Let's take a little bit more. I really want my skin to look super like glowy and dewy. So I'm just going to take both. This one is a little more like white champagne. Not white, but it has a lighter tone to it. Versus this one is a little bit more golden and deep. So if you're deeper skin tone, this is the one for you, which is Be My Sunlight, and then this is Be My Highlight. I'm just going to mix them both, but I do like this one a little bit more for my skin tone. I'm gonna take some to the brow bone because why not? You guys see how pretty that is? Mute out the lips, and then we're gonna go in with MAC Cork lip liner. What? Then to finish it off, I'm going to add Creme de Cacao from Juvia's Place. I'm going to finish off this look by applying a perfume. So I got this in PR. This is by Skylar Clean Beauty, and this is their new perfume discovery set. So it comes with a variety of scents from Skylar Beauty. That way you can test them and kind of see like what you like. This video's not sponsored by them anyways. I just got this in the mail and I smelled them all, and oh my goodness, it's so hard to pick. I have Peach Fields and Lime Sands up here. You can't see it because at the very top, but this brand is so good, you guys. They have such a clean scent, and it's perfect for like every body. The one that I really loved though, I think, was Salt Air. Let me pull it out. Yeah, it's Salt Air. I definitely want to get me the full size bottle. This has a driftwood, sea salt, and seaweed. The only thing is that these kind of came a little janky, so it's hard to spray. But Coconut Cove also smells really good. This one has bergamot, coconut, and ambrox. And then Lime Sands is the one that I have, and this one contains lime, sea salt, and coconut water, and it smells so citrusy. Vanilla Sky has cappuccino, pure vanilla, and caramelized cedar. This one smells really good as well. And Peach Fields is my favorite one. This one has white peach, osmanthus, and sandalwood. They all just smell so delicious, you guys. So I will have everything linked if you guys are interested in buying this little perfume discovery sets, so you can try a bunch of them on for your own. Then I will have them linked in the description box. But that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, testing out a bunch of new makeup that I bought, that I hauled from Ulta. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Other than that, thank you so much for being here. I love you guys. Stay safe, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.